Samsung's new Galaxy S24 series of phone has a color display inconsistency which has been acknowledged by the company. The vivid color profile on the S24 series of phones is not as vivid as its predecessor, but a new statement from Samsung Spain suggests that the change was intentional and is not a product defect. Spanish blog Tecnofilo got in touch with Spain Samsung and the local branch issued an official statement which read, "We have adjusted the colors and brightness of S24 series products to produce a more accurate and comfortable view during use. Some changes have been made to the display technology to provide a more natural viewing experience, so users may notice differences in color depth compared to older devices. This display behavior is an intentional color adjustment, is not a product defect, so it is safe to use. To provide our customers with the best possible experience, we value your feedback and continuously improve our software as the market and customer interest evolve." And it was earlier reported by Forbes that Samsung has acknowledged it was a weird bug which they will fix soon. But now it seems they have acknowledged that the color profile is different from previous phones, but they haven't told whether they're going to fix it or whether it will remain permanently. There's no difference between the color profiles of normal and vivid.